Good morning, children. Children, today we are going to learn something very special. Today we are going to learn about our country, India. You know, on 15th August, it's going to be India's birthday. You all have birthdays, na? So, India, our country, also celebrates its birthday on 15th of August. Do you want to know the story of India? Let us see. See, children, this is our country, India. Can you see this map? We had learned MAP map, right? This is the map of your country, India. And can you see all the people over here? All of us Indians live in our country, India. We are all called Indians. Children, now we live with freedom, right? Freedom means we can buy whatever we want. We can go to the mall. We can move in our country as we want. We can even go to the theater and watch movies. But in the days gone by, many years ago, it was not like that. You know, some people from another country called Britishers came to our country and they fought with our people and they took the country and then they told all the Indians, "You are our servants. We will be the boss here. We will be the big people over here. You work for us. In the house, clean our house, cook our food, work in the factories, and we will be the boss." Then our Indians were very, very sad. Would you like if someone tells you that come to your house and tells you, "I am the boss. Come on, do all the work in the house and I will sit and eat." You will not like it, no? So our Indians also did not like it. They were crying. Then what happened, you know? See, our national leaders like Mahatma Gandhi. You know, children, Mahatma Gandhi is the father of our nation because he said to the Britishers, "Y'all go away. This is our country and we will be the boss here. You go. We will rule our country." So the Britishers said, "No, no, no, we will not leave your country." Then many of our leaders had to fight. See, her name is Rani Lakshmi Bai. She fought for our country. Then over here you can see how they formed an army, and Subhash Chandra Bose, he fought for our country. And then at last our country was free. We won and the Britishers left our country and went away. And then India became a free country. This is our India where now we live very freely. And they went on 15th August. They gave the country back to India. So it is India's Independence Day or India's birthday. Okay, independence means free. We are free to go wherever we can. And now, see, to celebrate and honor our country, we salute our national flag. This is our national flag. We salute. Can you see they are saluting with their hands? Saluting the national flag. And children, can you see the color of the national flag? There you have to color it in this color only. This is our national flag. So the colors are saffron, white and green. Again, saffron, white and green. And this is the Ashoka Chakra. This is called Ashoka Chakra, which is blue in color. And we love our country and we are proud of our country, so we salute the national flag. Then see, in schools also, see, this is a school. In schools also, we hoist the national flag and we salute it. Can you see? Yes. And now, see, in school, we celebrate our country's birthday by having cultural programs. Like, see, over here, they're having a fancy dress competition with the colors of the flag. Here also, these children are having a Independence Day celebration. See, can you see all the flags and the balloons? They are celebrating our country, India. Over here also, see, these tiny tots, they have decorated their classrooms with the colors of the Indian national flag. See? And they have put the flags and they have balloons in their hand. Then over here they have done some activity in the school. And over here they are having a coloring and drawing competition for the children on 15th August. Then some people even cook colorful food according to the national flags. So, see, saffron, white and green, this is a pulao they have made. And over here they have made some sandwich. Over here some fruit salad. And here the activities have been done. So these are all the things that we do in school and at home. Now children, I have also an activity for you to do. So what you will do, you will color this. You will color your national flag in the proper color, saffron, white and green with the blue Ashoka Chakra. These doves are white, should be white in color. Doves are always white. Color this nicely. I'll show you how it should be done. See, this is just a sample. You can do it in your own way. You can use a light orange over here, keep the middle white and here green. And here, happy Independence Day, children. Enjoy your day and be free. Take care. Bye, children.